effectively to get results you want. So we have a page here. Let's just say some random page I pulled up, insurance company. So 2 tools you want to use to be able to create a mock-up. So let's say this is a design that you want. It doesn't have to be the same industry. It could be the same industry, but let's say this is the format you want with the phone number, all these things in here. So there's 2 tools, and I would recommend using Go Full Page. It's an extension on Chrome, and Draw on Page, which is also an extension on Chrome. So if we just click Go Full Page here, it's going to create a picture of this entire page. And you can do this for any page. And then on here, what you're going to do is go to Edit. And in the Edit section, what you can do is, let's say we go to Shapes. I can come in here to Shape. Change this color over here. Let's change it to white. And then let's fill it. Okay, perfect. Now, let's say I want to add an image here or put something in here, right? Let's say I want to crop an image here. Let's say I want to take something out. That will just crop in there. It takes a while to play with it. Let's say we want to add your own text in here. I don't want to crop. So let's say we want this to go in here, Joe's logo, right? Or just put my logo. You send that to your designer. Let's then copy paste this in here. So we pasted all that, but let's remove this. Actually, we don't want the text one. We want the box. We copy that, paste that in here. So we have the box in here. So we have the my logo, and in here we want it to say something else, like your brand, Joe's Insurance and Life, whatever. You can obviously change that size to 13. Let's go 30. Let's go 20. Let's go even a little smaller than that. Go 15. 15 still 18. Right, anyway, it takes a while for you to play around with it. You can get what you want. So you move that around. Obviously, you can change the color on it. Let's say you want a black. This black. So that's one way to do it. And then you can start changing it out. If you want to remove stuff, add things, add text. And then you can send this to your web designer and then get that. The other tool that I really like is actually Draw on Page. I think this is a faster tool. So you can just click this and quickly make some changes. So, you can cross this out, right? And then just add my logo, cross this out, or, cross this out and then put in home insurance, right? So then you can make it a lot, faster. You can make edits to it. Obviously, you can change the size of that. So before I type it, I'll have to change the size. Oops, change size here. So change the size first, then hit this tool. And Life didn't seem to work to change the size. If I can do it that way. No, but anyway, I guess you can change it this way. There you go. So get in there like that, change it in here. You can change this. Let's say you don't want this image. You can be like, cross this out, change image to family or older people, whatever. And so then you can go through here and make these edits. Say, I don't want this one. I don't want this one. I don't want this, right? And then you do like this, move over, center. So you can quickly make changes. In here you can make testimonials instead of quotes, show images, videos, right? So you know, same thing in here, remove form, or just make email and name and phone and move to the top. A good call to action should always be at the top here. Obviously they have the contact us in here, change to my video link here, boom. Or you can add it on a separate, so on that you change the logo out, all stuff. So you can go here and mock it all up as much as you want, create shapes, create lines, all that stuff, move it around. And then you can of course export it, or if you want, then you can just go back to go full page and save it here. And now go full page saves all your edits, and then you can just download, do a PDF or an image, and you can just send this to now your web designer or somebody who's working on your website to make those changes. I'll include links to the Chrome extensions for Draw on Page and Go Full Page. Hopefully this was helpful. It'll help speed up your process when working with a web designer or anybody, or things like that, when you're trying to edit something on a page and you're not savvy enough to do it yourself. So hopefully this was helpful. Wish you all the best. Take care. Bye.